Before dawn breaks, a silent giant awakens. Here, a legend is reborn every single day.
In this fortress of precision, men and machines unite with a single purpose:
To craft a drink that has touched every corner of the world for over a century.
This is the untold journey of Coca-Cola.
Every great story begins with purity. Even a drop must prove its worth. Layer after layer, the water is sculpted into perfected, pressed, filtered, transformed, until nothing impure remains. This is the foundation of the world's most iconic taste. Pure sugar pours down like a shimmering waterfall, each crystal catching the light. Every grain is chosen with purpose, clean, perfect, ready for transformation. Measured with astonishing precision, the sugar becomes part of the legend. Accuracy this sharp ensures Coca-Cola's taste never changes.
In steel chambers, the syrup begins to heat, glowing like molten amber.
It swirls and thickens, rising slowly into flawless clarity. A golden concentrate takes shape.
Here, the foundation of Coca-Cola is refined to perfection.
A locked container arrives, protected, guarded, unmistakably important.
The legendary concentrate, known by few, trusted by even fewer. A formula whispered through time enters the heart of the process.
Technicians guide the mixture with steady hands and trained eyes.
Flavor and sweetness intertwine like two forces destined to merge.
In this chamber, the secrets blend into one perfect unity.
The soul of Coca-Cola is born, rich, bold, unmistakable.
Lab experts test color, aroma, and texture with unwavering focus. Each sample is judged without mercy. Perfection is the only pass.
No shortcut survives here. Every drop must earn its place.
Only the flawless batch moves forward to the next stage.
The finished syrup flows through polished steel pipelines. It travels like liquid energy toward towering storage tanks.
The dance of carbonation begins.
Dark liquid swirls down into silver filling valves. The blend now complete, ready to become the drink.
In these tanks, it waits, ready for transformation.
Prepared at last to meet the spark that will bring it alive.
Tiny preforms rain down into vast hoppers like falling stars. Small, unshaped, unnoticed, they hold infinite.
Machines lift them with incredible speed and accuracy. And the journey to becoming a bottle begins.
Inside blazing heaters, the preforms glow a fierce orange red.
With pressure and heat, their destiny awakens.
A bottle is born, strong, clear, and perfectly shaped.
Newly formed bottles glide out in flawless rows.
Every curve identical, every surface gleaming with clarity.
A design perfected over decades. Efficient, beautiful, iconic.
Ready to carry the world's favorite drink.
High-speed cameras examine each bottle with incredible detail.
Every angle scanned, front, back, inside, and out.
One defect is enough for instant rejection. Perfection is the rule. Anything else does not survive. Rows of bottles spin swiftly as purified water rinses them clean.
No dust, no touch, no imperfection allowed.
Only a perfectly sterile bottle may go forward.
A sacred preparation for the drink it will carry. Carbon dioxide surges like white fog through steel chambers.
This is the spark, the heartbeat of Coca-Cola.
A rush of bubbles ready to bring the drink alive.
It pours with unmatched rhythm and precision. In this moment, Coca-Cola is born.
Thousands of bottles race forward in a rushing wave. The speed is breathtaking, relentless, and exact. A flow of energy moving with mechanical grace. Caps snap onto bottles in rapid, satisfying clicks.
Every seal locked tight within a heartbeat.
No air escapes, no freshness lost. A promise of quality is secured.
Smart sensors inspect each cap with unblinking eyes. Only perfect seals earn approval.
Not ready yet, but very, very close.
Heat tunnels tighten plastic around bottle groups with force.
Random packs are pulled aside for detailed testing.
No mistake escapes this digital guardian.
Precision is absolute. Nothing less is acceptable.
Labels wrap around bottles like a royal crown.
The signature red shines under the factory lights.
A symbol recognized across the entire world.
A final touch of identity and pride.
We have critical spikes across the board. Look at Sector 4.
Initiating stabilization protocols. Diverting power now.
The machines rule the rhythm. but the humans guard the spirit of the drink. And together, they maintain perfection.
The machine instantly wraps the Coca-Cola label around each bottle with precise timing and pressure.
Cameras and sensors check the position of every label to make sure it is perfectly aligned. Once labeled,
filled bottles glide smoothly toward the packing zone. The final stage now begins. Each bottle joins its group for the journey ahead.
Groups with force.
This binding makes the pack strong and secure.
Motion, heat, and precision work in harmony.
A unified pack emerges, ready to travel.
Perfect alignment every single time.
No human could do this with such consistency.
Order from chaos, achieved flawlessly.
Laser scanners confirm each one instantly. This code becomes the pack's digital identity.
Tracking its journey across the world.
Random packs are pulled aside for detailed testing.
Every bottle judged again for weight and seal.
No compromise is tolerated. Only excellence is cleared for shipping.
A sensitive weight machine measures every gram.
One slight problem, and the pack is rejected.
The system ensures nothing imperfect moves forward.
Quality stands supreme. Robotic arms lift pallets with smooth, ballet-like grace.
Swift, strong, perfectly coordinated.
A mechanical choreography unfolds. And the pallets stand ready for dispatch.
Massive pallets are wrapped tightly for protection. Layer upon layer seals their stability.
Now prepared for a long journey.
The world awaits their arrival.
Forklifts roar forward like synchronized beasts.
Each one carrying tons with flawless balance. A fleet of steel giants in perfect motion.
The final cargo is moved with pride.
Workers sign documents confirming each shipment. Every signature represents responsibility.
A promise that quality reaches every destination. Commitment sealed on paper.
Thousands of bottles ready to travel cities and nations. A journey of millions begins.
The truck doors shut with a powerful metallic thud, tightly locked for the long road ahead.
The engine roars, wheels start turning.
and the legend sets off to refresh the world once more.
You're all clear, driver. You can go.
Thank you.